Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a plan with me in my Paperchase agenzio notebook using this kit from Harriet Wright Designs. This is called Moonchild. It's a 6-page kit, and if you want to see how my spread turns out, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'll quickly go through the kit. This is a beautiful kit called Moonchild in rose gold foil. So really delicately foiled there. It says the moon was so beautiful. I love these kind of colours for November. Apologise if my voice is a bit echoey. I'm currently sitting in an unfurnished room at the moment because we're finishing decorating. It just sounds a bit strange, but anyway, so this is the 4 boxes. You get 9, and then here are the 4 box checklists, which I'll bring in. Headers and littles, date covers, layering stickers, headers and icons, plus freestanding checklists, the washi and some kind of like bows and the weekend banner and things. And then we have half boxes, quarter boxes, and then that's another kit. Her paper's so thick and delicious and in her premium matte that I always think there's extra sheets, but it's not. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom washi. So it comes in 2 separate strips. I'm just going to layer one on top of the other across the bottom of my page. Kind of a standard format. My setups. So this is my agenzio notebook. It is a dot grid notebook in kind of like a B5 size. It's actually just size large in the actual store itself. So if you're after it, I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to pick up the same thing. They have lots of different colours too. I have the lilac one. And if you want to see how I set it up to be a planner, then you can watch the video. I filmed it. Yeah, so you can, I'll link that as well for you. But yeah, so I like putting the bottom washi and layering the 2 strips. And yeah, then the next thing I normally add is my checklists. So things that I need to do each day, kind of come in and check and see what's going on. And yeah, so half term is over. We've had a little bit of a break, and now with this week, the week that I'm planning, which is the 2nd of November, is actually back to school. And yeah, for the next half term, right up until Christmas. And I'm going to be looking after a teaching student, which I'm really excited about. It's kind of like the next step in my career, I suppose. And I'm looking forward to yeah, channeling our new round of teachers coming through and trying to support them as best as possible and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, right, then I'm going to add a to-do header on top. So if I move on to the sidebar then, I'm going to first of all put this little arrow down and maybe a flag to mark the month. So I have, again, packed, I have scripts of the month, so I'll put November there, and it'll be from Diamond Print Designs. And then I'll pop my full box down. There we go. Yeah, and then I'm going to use some of these washi strips just to separate my sections, and I'd like to put some headers and my habit trackers and Monday through Sunday. So the habit trackers are here, and there should be habit. Actually, I'm going to do exercise. And then put down one habit tracker. And then, oh no, then I'm going to put the other one down. That's for reading. Then strip of washi. Then I need space for my dinners, so I'm going to use the dinner sticker, and then there is a Monday through Sunday as well. That's on the sheet here. Oh, this is looking good. There we go. I feel like I've left too much space. Never mind. And then I need a next week sticker. Whew. So I'm going to use this for this checklist and then see if I can fit the header in. Yeah, and do the next week header. To mark stuff that I need to do next week. Right, so although I'm doing dinners in my sidebar, I do want to use these little things just to mark what I'm going to have for like lunch, because I've not been very good at eating well, and in November I want to make that a change. So I'm just gonna use the little things to mark lunches at school. Is all I really need to focus on. That's fine. And then there's a few events obviously that are going on. So on Wednesday I'm got my final Slimming World, and then Thursday it's kind of a major national event. We are going back into lockdown. So me working in a school, I'd still be going to work. My husband can still work from home, so that's fine too. He's been working from home since March. But yeah, everything else kind of is going to shut down for a month. So I need to mark that, because things like, you know, like I went to IKEA today, won't be able to do that. Like, just things will be stopping. We don't go out to pubs and restaurants. We haven't since, well, we went out in August for Eat Out to Help Out, but not really since then. And so it's not really going to impact us massively, but it's just going to be just a crazy time for everybody, really, because what we had planned on Saturday has had to be cancelled. I'm thinking we were supposed to go to Warwick Castle. But that's finished. So I'm going to have a little box for my student, because that's exciting. And then I've got my biology meeting here. Oh, there's my dressing gown. I've also got a meeting on Friday morning, so I'm going to use the same day alarm clock little thing just to mark that. I need to make sure I go to. I'm always really late for that meeting and I always feel bad. But yeah, so Saturday and Sunday our plans are completely changed, so I don't actually know until I've confirmed with my sister and my brother-in-law about what on earth's happening this weekend. Since lockdown, we can't go anywhere, meet people anywhere, so I think Warwick Castle I think is cancelled. We were supposed to have my niece and nephew over, but I don't think that's going to happen, and I feel really bad because they're actually paying us back for when they had our kids. So yeah, so I'm just going to keep hold of these because I don't know what's it's going to be a bit of a change, and it's just going to be a bit of an interesting weekend. I'm not sure what we'll do, but I do need to make sure that we do stuff in the bedroom to finish it off. So we've got lights to go in, we've got a unit to get delivered, we've got clothes to sort out and organise, and all this is going to come in to the checklist as well. Let's just see if we've got any useful icons. So it's bin day. I need to make sure I put the bins out on Wednesday, as always. Normally bath the kids on Sunday. It's my brother-in-law's birthday on the 6th, so let's give him a box. So need to make sure I donate. He wants charity donations, so I need to make sure I donate to charity. Need to organise a shopping delivery, and I will be filming, of course, on Saturday. Again, I'm just going to put it in a box because I have nothing else planned. So there we go. So there you have it. It's not a very exciting week. Back to school, I suppose, is the biggest event, and then yeah, nothing much else happening this week, but I do love this kit, and it's so pretty with the rose gold foil. Trying to get a good filming in a different location, and so the lighting's a bit weird, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you have a lovely week. It's going to be a bit strange, so sorry if my tone is a bit different. I'm just kind of getting used to this whole idea here, so yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those 300 subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.